Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Boeing Dude 99, and this is my tutorial video on how to start up the PMDG 737NG. So, first of all, you're probably wondering why I'm in a Cessna. The reason I'm in a Cessna is to get the PMDG cold and dark, you have to shut down the Cessna. So, to shut down the Cessna, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is first put the magneto switch to off. The engine should shut off. Put off the master switch, switched off. Always leave avionics on, keep that on, and then pull out the mixture control. Okay, so the Cessna's shut down. So now what we're going to do is go to the aircraft menu, select aircraft. It's going to load. Okay, now go to the Boeing PMDG, and I'm gonna pick the 700 series. So I'm gonna pick the 700 series in a Southwest Airlines repaint. Just gonna take that. Just load up. Looks like that. We're gonna load it. Just press OK when you got the PMDG pick. When you pick the PMDG. So now it should load up, and if you shut down the Cessna correctly and did everything right, your PMDG 737 cockpit should be cold and dark like this. So now this is where we'll get down to business. First of all, before we start the preparation, make sure the parking brake is set. Now let's go to the overhead. Put the battery switch on, then standby power auto, and then if you have the parking brake set and ground power is available, you should get the ground power available light on. Put ground power on. So once ground power's on, we can go up to the DC voltmeter selector switch, which is right here. Put it to BAT, which is battery, and we have 23 DC volts, so we're good. That means we're good, and this is the AC voltmeter selector switch, and we're going to put that to ground power, and we have 72 AC amps, so we're good. So now what you're going to do is go to the main panel, open up the throttle quadrant. We're gonna do the engine and APU fire warning systems. So this is the engine fire warning systems. First, put the switch to the left to fault and op. Should light up, then go away. Now, now you're going to take the switch and put it to the right to overheat fire. And once you do that, you're going to get this very loud alarming sound. So what you're going to do is, after you let it ring for a sec, then go to this fire warning button right here, and click it, and it'll stop the fire warning system testing, and you're good. So you should have done that. Now we're gonna test the APU. Do the APU testing is what I mean. We're good. Now we're ready to start the APU. So take this is the APU master switch. Put it to start. And as you can see, the meter is gonna start going up. And once it gets to like about 7 EGT, the APU generator off bus light switch right here will illuminate, and that means APU is now available, and you could put the APU generators on. So it's on 7, about 7. It came on, as you can see. Put on the APU generators. And now once you did that, you can go ahead and take the AC voltmeter selector switch and put it to APU generator, and we have 71 AC amps, so we're good. Now go to the air conditioning panel, which is all right here, and put the APU bleed on. Engine bleed switch is off, and when you do that, you should notice the dual bleed light just extinguished. Then put the left and right pack switches to auto, and then isolation valve open. Make sure recirculation fan right here is on auto, and your air conditioning panel is set. Now what you're going to do is set the external lights. So just put on the position lights, and since during the day you only put position lights on during the cockpit preparation, but if you're flying at night you put the position lights on and the logo lights on. But as you may have noticed, we're setting up during the day, so I'm just gonna keep the position lights on. Also, we always start engines right to left, so this is the ignition selector switch. Put that to ignition right. We could do that. Now, the rest of the cockpit preparation is really simple, and it's in a very easy order. Put the yaw damper on, fuel pumps on. These are the left tank fuel pumps, these are the right tank fuel pumps, and these are the center tank fuel pumps. If you have fuel only in the left and right tanks, you'd only put the left fuel pump switches and the right fuel pump switches on. But if you have like me, and you have fuel in the left and right wing, in the left and right tanks, and then you also have fuel in the center, you'll put all fuel pumps on, the center fuel pumps and the left and right fuel pumps. So we're good. Also, we can go ahead and do a cross feed check. Valve open, then it illuminated, then it extinguished. It went kind of dim, and then we put it back to how it was before. It lit up. Now it's extinguished. We're good.